Hi, everyone. I'm coming on today because I'm getting a lot of feedback from companies in regards to the current China situation. And it reminds me a lot about the feedback and the comments I was getting at the start of the pandemic in 2020, which is, there's this lockdown in Shanghai that is massive, that is truly impacting the not only its own economy as a city, but the rest of China's economy as well. There's no transportation, there's no postal service, e-commerce is dead. There's all of these discussions that are happening. So, Christina, why should I be going to China now? And obviously, the big question is China to go or not to go. Now, I'm in complete agreement that at this very moment, it's probably not wise to submit your applications to start your business because it's all going to be put on hold in any case. But I do want to emphasize the idea of preparation. And this is something, again, that I was pushing on a lot in 2020 because there in the lockdown, not only were we in survival mode about our own head offices and just generally can our businesses survive in this pandemic? Um, well, it's the same in China right now. You don't have the worries anymore with your overseas offices in terms of this pandemic. Life is back to normal. It's China that is at a little bit of a standstill. And hopefully within June, we all hope it will start opening up again and things will be getting better and people will be getting out of their homes, etc. And the economy will start lifting up again. But why not prepare? Why not prepare ourselves for that moment? And the question I want to raise to you is, have you been preparing yourselves for that moment of green lighting? I'd love to know, have you been doing your homework and taking action on getting your stuff together so that you can actually escalate and scale up as soon as things start opening up, because you don't want to miss on that opportunity. So the question is, China to go or not to go? If you are wondering what you could potentially do as actions, well, here's a couple of ideas. One is, do you know what your market share is in the market? Have you looked at the market potential? Have you looked at your competitors? Have you done your market research on the market and understand what is the actual potential there for you? Do you have data at your fingertips that you can generate that's going to justify the potential of the market? And if you don't, then that's something you could do right now in preparation for China reopening. The other is, have you looked about at the types of business models that exist in China, the financial resources that you would need to start and run your operation in China, the challenges of running the operation, and what solutions could there be to counter them should they pop up? Okay. It's really important to have this knowledge so that you are ready at the get go. And last but not least, you can't go to China alone. Even if you could travel there, you still need a network of individuals. And as we say in China, you need your guanxi to be able to actually thrive and scale up. So, who are you going to invest in? Because you will need to invest in people who advise you, implement, and grow your organization with you. Who are those first individuals that are going to be on your team, on your so called team? Even if you outsource them, who are they going to be? Right? So, understanding who are the key individuals, what are the key companies you need to be working with? Where are they located? Are they in, outside of China? What are the scenarios for potentially hiring people on the ground, if that is actually an option that you're considering? What is the cost of having these people come on board? And what are the challenges and potential solutions in building this network of people? Remember, there is a lot of preparation that you can do in this period of lockdown to make sure that you are not slacking behind and getting lazy, but you're still getting the ball rolling and pushing forward so that when you can hit that green light, you're escalating into the market. Don't take this downtime Make sure you're using it wisely. It's a valuable time spent now. Make sure you're getting your data. Make sure you're talking to people in China. Zoom is still available. So you can still talk to people and have conversations with them about what they're offering, about the market. I'm sure, it'd be a really nice distraction for them from the day-to-day that they're going through right now. Understand the types of business models that exist. And then think about, who do you need on your team, in your ecosystem? Should be in your network to actually get this business up and rolling? If you want to have that one-to-one discussion, if you want to have that conversation so that you get the ball rolling, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm going to be providing my details up above. But don't let fear and laziness get in the way. Make sure you overcome that mindset so that you really strive for success in China. Because China's not disappearing. It will open up again, just like Europe did. The question is when, but in the meantime, we can get prepared. So let's get prepared. I hope this video has inspired you a little bit and motivated you a little bit to build momentum and get consistent with your China expansion and the business you're looking to do in China. Have a great day, everyone. Take care. See you soon.